Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can set up Cloud Code on your computer without paying heavy subscription fees to the Anthropic. Although Anthropic have its free usage limit as well, but even if you use this one, you hit the limit so quickly that it is almost no use. Today I'll be showing you how you can set up using OpenRouter. OpenRouter is a platform which provides free API services for most of the open source models. As you can see here, there are so many models available at the Open Router, and a lot of models are completely free of cost here. If you want to find out the list of the models which is gonna be free of cost, you can just simply type here free. Then you are gonna see here all these models are currently free of cost to use. That means we are not gonna pay anything if we attach this open router with the cloud code. So let's go ahead and get started with installing our cloud code. You need to come here at cloud.com product cloud code. Thereafter, here is command. By default, this command is shown for a Windows if you are on Windows machine. Otherwise, this command is shown for macOS or the Linux. Otherwise, you can simply click on read the documentation. Then you are going to get here list of all available commands for different kind of operating system. I'm working on a Windows, so I'm going to get this particular command. Otherwise, if you are working with the Mac OS or Linux or WSL, then you can just simply get this particular command. Thereafter, I need to come to the VS Code or terminal, whatever you have. Thereafter, just simply paste it here. Then it is going to install the cloud code using the PowerShell scripts. We need to wait for a while to get it installed. So finally, it is installed here. It took almost no time to install it. Once it is installed, thereafter, I can check here cloud code version. So I can just simply write like this cloud version. Then you are going to see here 2.1.123. That means cloud code is installed. Once you have verified that your cloud code is installed, thereafter, you need to go into your home screen. All right. So same command you need to use whether you are on Windows or Mac OS or Linux. Then you are going to come here inside the home screen. Thereafter, you can just simply go inside the cloud code. So you are gonna write a command something like this. So by default in home directory, you are gonna get here .cloud directory. All right. If you have got this cloud directory, that means cloud code is installed successfully. You can check here all the files currently which you have here. I have here backups, cache, downloads, ID, and settings.json files. Now I need to make configuration setup inside the settings.json. So I'm going to write here code and then settings.json. So the settings.json is going to open inside this particular directory. All right. So I have opened it inside the cloud code directory, which is inside the download folder as of now, because this is where I'll be testing my cloud code. But the settings.json is opening from the home directory and then the cloud and settings.json. Okay, cool. So we do not need to start our cloud code as of now because we need to get our API key from the open router first of all. All right. So let's go ahead and create our keys from the open router. So we just come here at the open router. Thereafter, click on the personal. Basically, if you don't have any account here at the open router, you have to make sure that you create an account, sign up for this. Thereafter, you need to click on here preferences. Then inside the preferences, you are going to have here API keys. Inside the API keys, you need to create here API key. Generally, I create API key for 1 hour and 2 hours just to make the video. Otherwise, if it is a permanent API key, then you can select here expiration as a no expiration. I'm going to select here something like this, a simple name like Cloud Code YT means Cloud Code YouTube. Thereafter, I'm just going to create this API. That's all I have to do here. I just copy this API key from here. Thereafter, I'm going to come here and then I'm just going to save this here as it is. Don't worry about this. After some time, we will put inside the settings.json. Now what we have to do here inside settings.json, we need to save our environment variables. So what I have done here, I have actually written my environment variable list here. So these are the environment variables which you need to store here. Okay. So you need to provide your Anthropic base URL. This is going to be the OpenRouter.ai API. Then you need to provide your Anthropic authentication token. That is going to be the API key, which we just created. So I just copy and then I'm going to paste here. So this is going to be the same API key as well. I just paste it here. Thereafter, you need to select here which particular model you want to use from the OpenRouter. So we need to just come here at the OpenRouter. This API key is already saved. So let's come back here, go inside the model. Thereafter, I'm going to search here free. So with this, you are going to get here a lot of the free model. You can select any model, whatever you decide. I'm going to select here GLM 4.5 Air model. So you need to just simply copy it from here. Thereafter, you need to make sure you paste it inside the Anthropic model, where I already have this particular model selected. Once everything is done, thereafter, you need to open here a new terminal. Then in new terminal, you need to write here Claude. Once you write here Claude, then it is going to pop up here a screen to select a particular text style. I'm going to select here auto style. Thereafter, it is going to tell you here some security concerns. Then it is going to ask you whether you want to use the recommended settings or not. Yes, I want to use here recommended settings. Thereafter, it is going to show you here. So it says here, welcome back. This particular model is getting used and it is completely free of cost. It is not going to charge you anything. Let's go ahead and ask here which particular model it is currently using. So I'm going to say here that which model are you using? Let's run this. Excellent. You have got here the answer that it is being powered by the GLM 4.5 Air free model. So this is how you can use Cloud Code in free of cost without paying anything to API providers. And your setup is done here. Now you can get started with the coding. Whatever you want to build with the Cloud Code, you can get started with that.